Christmas will be here before you know it, and if you're anything like me and still haven't started your shopping, then stay tuned for some of my top buys that every member of the family will love. For the keen gardeners among you, I can't recommend Hoselink's stand-up weed puller enough. It not only makes weeding a breeze, but it's pretty fun too. It's easy on the back and will have your lawn looking pristine in no time. No hard work required. Second on the list is of course the retractable hose reel. This must-have gadget makes watering and cleaning jobs easier than ever, and it even tidies itself away when you're done. What could be better than that? Next up are these eco-friendly solar Festoon lights. These lights come in a choice of cool or warm white and can be wrapped around trees, strung between fences, or hung from a pergola and look stunning when the sun goes down. If you don't have a garden, don't worry, you won't be left out. Hoselink has a stylish range of indoor gardening products like this fabric plant pouch available in 3 modern colours. And you'll also find this matching watering can and plant mister to help keep your plants in top condition. And last but by no means least, the ultimate choice in sprinklers. Hoselink's Oscillating Sprinkler is equipped to take on almost every watering job. It can be customised to adjust the water flow, spray settings, or even how far it rotates, providing water coverage up to 15 metres. So there you have it, 5 gift ideas for every gardener in the family. Happy Christmas.